everyone. Welcome back to Salesforce with Megan. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new here, welcome. I talk about everything Salesforce, productivity, and career growth. And if you are a returning viewer, I am so happy to have you back. Thank you. So for today's video, I would love to be able to give a shout out to Focus on Force, that is the sponsor of this video. Focus on Force is a great place for you to either start or continue your Salesforce journey when you're learning and studying for upcoming certifications. They have a whole bunch of study guides and also practice tests for you to be able to learn the in-depth concepts of your Salesforce exam. So if you have not tried Focus on Force yet and you are thinking about a study platform to use, definitely make sure you do try out Focus on Force. And if you love Focus on Force already, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. How has Focus on Force helped you? What certifications have you passed with them? And if you have any general questions about the platform. So let's go ahead and unbox and show you all what I got. And I'll start with the most important, which is the coffee mug. As you all can see here, it's a Focus on Force coffee mug. I'm super excited to have that because I think I have about 2 cups of coffee a day. So I'm really excited to have this. So Focus on Force, thank you for not only the mug, but the coffee. Next, I would love to be able to show you all my tote. You can walk around. Can you see? And if you're studying, I love it because now I can put my computer in my bag. So it's that. I'm really excited to have the tote. And next, of course, as you can see, I have my hoodie. Now this is perfect. I've already been using it today. As you can see, it's super comfy. I love it. Different sizes if you are interested in it. So next I have the Focus on Force shirt. Dun, dun, dun. As you can see, it looks super cute. Really excited about this one. And then one of the ones that I'm super excited for is who doesn't love hoodies? Da, da, da. Focus on Force hoodie. So Focus on Force, seriously, thank you so much for all of this incredible merch, for the tote bag, for the coffee mug. I'm really excited to use this. So there you have it. That's all the merch. If you have any questions on how to use the Focus on Force site, you can go ahead and click this video that I created on how to navigate, how to utilize it, and really get the best out of your purchase. And then Focus on Force, thank you so much again for the merch. I absolutely love it. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye, everyone. Say bye. Bye, everyone. See you in the next video.